Hey y'all, I was sent over this collapsible hand cart. Little dolly. Comes with a basket too. Come in just the nick of time too because I'm fixing to move. So we're going to get this thing opened up, put together, and put to use. So let's find out if it's any good. So it comes with some bungee cords. That's good. I guess this will be to strap down our basket there onto the truck. Has our instructions here. It says maximum load 330 pounds. I don't think I have anything that's going to weigh that much, so should be in good shape. There's some hardware here. It's pretty heavy. Feels pretty solid so far. Oh wow, check out the wheels. Oh, cool. So that'll lay down flat. How do you lock those in? We'll find out in a moment. Okay, there's that. That's some heavy pipe. Not real thin. Get our paperwork out here. All else fails, refer to instructions. Open the handle, step one, we did that. And that's got it facing up. Let's face it up like you're supposed to here. Okay, open the wheels of the hand cart by pressing the bottom switch with the palm facing downward. Careful, don't pinch yourself. Oh, okay. It's got a handle right here. Pull that down. And that locks them down. That's cool. Open the built-in platform by pulling directly upward until it locks into place. Oh. So you can just flip that up like that. There you go. That's your dolly part of it. We've got it in a truck position here. Now it doesn't have wheels back here. It kind of skipped that step. Let's see if the wheels are in here. Yes, they are. Comes with the nuts and the wrench here and our wheels. Let's get these put on there. Those are rubber, by the way, not the hard plastic. Which hard plastic would have been okay, but this is even better. Okay, it's got holes right here in this rod that you can just stick these in, just like so. Get this tightened up. This is going to be nice moving some of this stuff. You saw the size of box that came in. I've got a couple of big boxes over there that will sit this way on there. 330 pounds, we can stack it up. So should be in good shape. Look at that, y'all. Now that is nice. There's the truck part. Oh, that rolls good, y'all. There's little buttons right here. Just squeeze those together. That handle will extend. When you pull that up, start going up and let go of it and pull it on up and it'll lock the handle. And it's got holes on the handle here. It'll have little bolts, if you will, that'll be poking out and pop in those holes, lock it in. Fully open another state, pinch the switch and the cart can be used as a two-wheel vehicle. Okay, right here. That'll lock into place. Pull that together. Just like so. It's got a little give in it right here. But actually you probably wouldn't want that. Let's see. No, you wouldn't want that up. Probably wouldn't want it up that high. So. But it does have some give right there. I don't think that'll be a problem. We're going to find out. Okay, you'll have to have that leaning back a pretty good ways before these wheels, that bottom down there. That is, I mean, I like the wheels that are there, but they should have put them down further because that's a long ways to have to lean back. Or if they could have made the wheels adjustable where they would have flipped down further this way. But that'll be something to keep in mind. But I don't think it'll be that big of a deal. Depending on how much you're carrying, we will see. Well, that's not too bad, actually. You'll just have to have it right in there. It's got a good grip on that handle, too, by the way. I think this is going to get the job done. You know, you're not going to be moving super heavy, big appliances, you know, like refrigerators and things such as that. But probably to move a washer or dryer, this would be fine. Lean it back far enough and let it rest up against there. This is a good hard plastic, good metal frame. I really like the idea that you can turn this into just a truck more or less like that. I like that. Okay, let's put it to use and see how it works in a real world scenario, not just looking at it, but actually using it. I'll tell you what, I got so excited about putting this thing to use, I forgot about the basket that it comes with. Let's get that put together real quick, and then we'll get to moving. I looked over and I thought, what is, oh yeah. I was like, what is that? Pretty cool. Made out of like a hard plastic. I think it's gonna be pretty self-explanatory here. Got little catches in it, hooks, and then hook right into here. Just like so, just like that. And there we go. We have our little basket. You can carry it. If you have small stuff, you can out of a drawer or whatever, you can put in that, and then you'll be able to put it just like that. Then we'll be able to roll that around. And of course, add the tie downs. One of the things I'm noticing that I'm not real fond of is these collapse. They don't lock into place. Of course, if you got it filled up with stuff, you ain't got to worry about it anyway. Anyway, you got your bungee cords here. You'll be able to hook that on there. Well, they're long. We got some long bungee cords, y'all. Probably go around a couple of times. Yeah, they'll go all the way around, back around that way. Tighten that up tighter, and it will keep it from sliding off. There you go. Oh, it could go from the front to the back as well. Sink it on there like that. So there again, it's going to pull that. When you go to pulling that, we'll collapse that. So, of course, if you got it loaded up, you wouldn't have to worry about that. Nevertheless, there it is. They gave you plenty of length of the bungee cord there. You're not going to have to worry about it being too short for this. There it is. We are ready to put it to use. Well, it seems like it's going to roll really good. Holding this really well. No, it's not. All right, well, if you overload this basket, it pops it apart. So if you get stuff too wide for it, it's not going to be good. But overall, it holds the stuff in place. So that's a good thing. See, right here is what I'm talking about. But it rolls real good. And as you can see, not a problem. You go how you need to go. And if you have other totes, it'll haul them just as well. I like it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.